You know, I'm doing some sports here, walking, brisk walking, and sometimes nakatambay lang, but I feel enjoy my bombastic and realistic sound, okay? Hindi na po yung mga headset, okay? Hindi rin mga dome type headset, hindi na rin po yung mga wiring type na headset. Panis na ho yun, luma na ho yun, panahon pa ng mga Jurassic. Ano ang gamit ko? To feel all my favorite sounds. Okay, tara, samahan nyo ako. Ano ba yon? Let's get it on, guys. Guys, this is the Bose Soundwear speaker. Okay, this is unusual design. So mapapansin nyo, it's designed for the neck, sa leeg. Okay, so hindi siya like those wired headset, headphones, then like a earmuff style ng headset. Hindi rin siya dome type, ear type ng headset, at hindi siya yung mga sinusuksok lang. Okay, eardrum type na headset. This is a speaker type, okay, with surrounds speaker 5.1, look like a Dolby, okay, this Bose Soundwear, but this is a neck type, okay, sa leeg. So this is very good, okay, proven na to. So this is a good sound sound system, personal sound system na buong buo ang bass, okay? Lahat dinig mo. Especially if you're going to connect it to your smart TV, okay? At kahit sa gaming mo, this is 100% or 101% legit na magandang quality because Bose nga. Okay, paano ino-operate ito? Okay, this is a Bluetooth. Okay, again guys, this is a Bluetooth driven Bose Soundwear, okay, personal speaker. Okay, so makikita nyo dito, meron siyang nakarap na skin. Ang default niya pag binili mo, yung kanina in-unbox ko, sa box pa lang, ay black talaga siya. Okay, first thing is, ano bang mga controls na ito? Again, this is a Bluetooth, no? So makikita nyo merong Bluetooth dito. Okay, may Bluetooth siya dito. And then the power on switch. Ito po yun, nandito. Makakapa nyo. So meron siya parang nakaumbok. Okay, later on, babalatan natin to. So makikita nyo kung gaano ba talaga ganda ang design ng Bose. Okay, and the other side is makikita nyo, okay, ayan no, merong positive, minus, and the middle button. Ito yon, upper button, lower button, at may middle. So anong function nito, no? Dito po sa Bluetooth. Okay, makita nyo dito, no? Power on, click mo lang to, mabubuhay. Then mayroong voice na babae na maririnig nyo. Later on, will power on para marinig nyo. And then check kung saan siya magko-connect. May default na connection. And then the Bluetooth itself. So pag kinonect mo to, ipindutin mo lang to, so automatic na magko-connect na doon sa ano mo, sa unit na o head unit na i-connect mo to wirelessly. Okay? And this one, makikita nyo to, volume control, click mo lang to. Okay? Positive volume, negative volume, and the middle is pag nagsa-sounds ka, no? Sounds ka, either mga or movies or music or radio station, double click mo lang, double click para to change it to the next station or the next music. Okay, so yan po siya. So napakaganda. Kaganda nito, ergonomic. Makikita nyo buong buo yung sounds. Yung alam niyo naman na ang Bose ay talagang naka-design na marinig mo yung the quality of the sounds, lalo na yung boom bass niya, boom bass niya, rinig na rinig dito. So let's try to open this one, no? So dalawang gagawin natin. Buksan natin yung pinakaloob, and then what does it look like, and then paano rin magpalit ng skin nito. It depends on your color. So kaya meron din ng spare dito. So makikita nyo ito, para siyang skin. So this is a brand new also spare. Okay, makikita nyo may Bose din talaga. All original, OEM po ito. So everything, I bought this one in Vietnam. Okay, so first is balatan muna natin. How to change this one? Okay, may zipper type siya. Again, reliable yung leather niya. Kahit pagpawisan ka, kaya sporty ka, makikita nyo, naglalakad-lakad ako, kasi sa pagbabay ko, ginagamit ko rin to. So just a zipper, unzip it. Okay, so really durable siya. Okay, buksan mo lang yan, pak. Ayan na, nabalatan na natin. Okay, so yun lang, pwede mo na laban to, kasi ayan siya, oh. Ito ang pinaka-bare niya. So as you can see, no, kung sisilipin mo, parang transparent siya. Meron siyang design, okay, meron siyang design, ayan oh. Meron siyang design talaga para to produce a good boom bass at buong high quality ng sounds. Okay, as you can see, oh, ang ganda, rubberized, talagang silicone siya. Depende sa leg, adjustable siya. See, yung speaker, okay, yung speaker at yung eto, meron siyang outlet dito. Dito lumalabas yung boom bass mo. Same goes here, left and right. And as you can see, ayan po ang emblem ni Bose. Okay, so ayan po, makikita nyo rin dito. So yung, ano mo, yung mic. So habang suot mo to, nakakonect sa cellphone mo, while listening to music, while watching movies, pwede kang sumagot ng any phone calls mo. Okay, may mic po siya. Okay, at the back side naman, no, kasi sinasabi ko sa inyo, power on button, the Bluetooth, okay, and then micro USB na charging port. Okay, ang full charge nito is around 1.5 hours to 2 hours maximum, pero magagamit mo ito in more than 3 days. Okay, sometimes pa nga 1 week. My best record is I think 6 days or 7 days. Lagi kong ginagamit to. So ganun. So on this part naman, kitang-kita nyo yung button. Okay, ito na yung sinasabi ko, positive, minus, volume, and this is the button for changing the music, okay, or next music. Okay, pag charge mo to dito, merong lumalabas dito na indicator. Hindi siya visible dito, pero may lalabas na mga ilaw dito. So It's a 5 LED. Lumalabas dito. Pag full charge na siya, 5 LED lights ang lalabas na. Okay? So, ayan po siya. So now, buksan natin. Ano yung ba yung power on, ano yung lumalabas na, na sounds on it. Okay? Pakinggan ho ninyo. Maigi ha?
Battery 20%. Connected to cutting radius.
Okay. So yan ang power on natin. Makikita yung light. May 2 LED. That means nasa 30 or 40, nearly 30 to 40% ang aking battery life. Bluetooth. Okay? Kanina nagsabi nga na automatic naka-default connect na ako sa aking cellphone. Okay? And I can play now anytime. Now, paano naman po ang pagpapalit? Okay, sabi natin, let's say nilabhan na natin to, madumi na, pinagpawisan. Ito, papatay natin. So, napakasimple lang. So, ayan po. Okay. So, ganun lang siya. Kasi ano siya, stretchable eh. Talagang hindi siya mapupunit. Alam naman na pag Bose talaga is at OEM original siya, matibay. Okay. So, hope you like this video, no? And continue to like and share. Okay, you go, no? So, this is the Bose Soundwear. Okay. It's not a wired headset, not a wired headphone, but this is the new technology of a true surround system personal speaker. Okay, with a boom bass. Brought to you by Bose. Okay, thank you so much. Please share, subscribe, and like my channel. Thank you so much.